What kind of work do you do?
Right now I don't any work, but I have a business idea for my future.
Okay, thank you. What are your favorite career plans?
Uh, every time when I have a child, when I had a child, that's time I think I will be a businessman.
Do you think your job is stressful?
No, sir. Business is a freedom. You know.
Okay. What skills are essential for your job?
It's a big mind. First of all, we need a big mind, and we need some financial support.
Okay, let's talk about your school.
Yes, sir.
What was your favorite subject in your school?
Obviously, I love English.
Okay, did you enjoy your time at school?
Yes. In the tiffin time, I totally enjoyed with my friends.
Yeah. What kind of school did you go to?
What type of school? Yes, my school is too much modernized. I had lots of scientific and technical things in my school.
Okay, let's talk about your family.
Yes, sir.
How many people are there in your family?
In my family, I have 4 people. Like me, my father, my mother, and my elder sister.
Do you and your family enjoy cooking together?
Yes, yes, yes. In the Friday, sir, we will cook. We cook biryani. Then we cook together.
Okay, thank you so much.